What's up, Chef? Today we're going to be getting into how to clean a chicken breast you would get from the store or in a restaurant already off the body. So let's get into it. All right. Normally you're going to have this line here, the center of the breast. There'd be another breast over here like this. Oh, well, do we have a left? Yeah, there we go. So this is how it would look like full, right? You have the center line here down the chest. So you want to clean that off. Okay. Just like that. Whoop. And then what you're going to have next is this little notch here, this cartilage. And then there's this fat line that runs down the outside of the tender on the breast. So what you want to do is you want to get your knife in there and just clean it off and follow the shape of the breast and get that chunk of cartilage out, because it's going to be chewy and just not enjoyable. And then, right, scoop it out just like that. Kind of left a little bit on there, so I'm just going to go whoop, just like that. And it's clean from the bottom. Let's flip it over. And that looks pretty good. Okay, now what we're going to do to fillet it, if you're lefty or righty, you're going to come from either side. And we're going to get right in the middle here. Make sure it's close enough to you so you're not reaching out trying to cut. You got to get control on it. You go right in the middle. And just nice strokes using the blade instead of just sawing through it. Try to keep it as level as you can. Just like that, all the way through. Boom. Breast fillet. Let's do it again. Okay. Here's another one. I got a 3-pack. So again, you get the line here. Trim that out. Okay. And we get a little bit more on this one to clean up, which is good. More visuals. You're going to come here and get that little cartilage out. Trim it. Follow it. Okay. Boom. There you go. Flip it over. How's it look? Looking pretty good. Okay. We get this flap here. I don't like that. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. It's just me. Okay. Let's do it again. Close to you. Keep your hand over it, away from the blade. Don't cut your fingers. Right in the middle. And then as you're going down the breast, try to keep the blade in the middle of the breast from the top and the bottom. All right. All the way through to the end here. Boom. Breast number 2, filleted. Last round, number 3. This is a good one. I can feel it. There's a couple things on it. There's still a little bone in here from the store. That's good. All right. So, I'll skim that out just like that. Then, clean this line up here. Okay. Oop. There we go. Almost got away from me. Clean that off real quick before we flip it over. Now, I'm a righty. And normally, you could just come in like this. For the sake of the video, we're going to go just leave it straight so y'all can see it. Okay. Come in here. Whoop. Make sure you get at it. Get it out. Okay. And then, whoop. Follow the line. And all these scraps, we're going to save for chicken stock. Just coat them in oil, roast them off in the oven so you get some color, a little salt and pepper, and then those will be the roasted chicken scraps that go into your stock. So last one, fillet, right in the middle, long strokes, keep it in the middle of the breast as you go down, and that's it. Boom. So now we bought a 3-pack from the store. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. And cook these up. You can put them in some bags or wrap them up however you'd like and freeze them for the future. Do a little meal prep for the week, and it's that simple. And like I mentioned earlier, we have these scraps here that we're going to save for chicken stock. We'll just roast off and it'll be delicious. All right. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow, and check out theproperchefs.com. Thank you. Happy cooking.